Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to switch language in your iPhone. In order to do that, we are going to Settings. From Settings, we are going to General. From General, we are selecting Language and Region, which is here. And from here, as a default language is English. For this example, I'm going to add the Greek language and I'm going to switch it right now. In order to do that, I say Add Language. And from search bar, we are searching for Greek. We found it, we're clicking it. And say that, would you like to use Greek as your primary language? If you click yes, it will switch your iPhone immediately to your selected language. I will do that. I will stop the video and I will come right back after the process is done. And as you can see now, my iPhone has switched to Greek language, and every single application's menu will be displayed in Greek language. I want to show you now how to switch back to English in a very simple way. As you can see now, the Greek language is at the top and English language is at the second row. In order to do that, we are clicking these three hamburger menus on the English menu, and we are dragging above the Greek language. If I'll do that and leave it, my language will switch back to English. I will do it right now and I will stop the video and I will come back after this drag completion is done. As you can see now, I have switched back to English language on my iPhone, and the Greek language is set at second row, which is not effective on my iPhone's preferred language. If I want also to add another language, we can do the following. For this example, I'm gonna say French. We're selecting. You can add this. I'm not gonna do that. You can use French or you can use English. You can choose one of these. And if you choose that, as I said, you can later drag the selected language to the top and your iPhone will switch to the language that is selected at the most top. If you want to remove the undesirable language that you have added on your iPhone, you can do the following step. It's very simple. You're coming to the language that you want to delete. I'm going to delete the Greek language for this example, and you're dragging to the left side. As you can see, the delete button is now visible. If you click this selected language will be removed from your iPhone. So the video was like this. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, be safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.